Hey, gadget lovers! Upgrading to a quality instant camera will upgrade your moments in ways a digital screen simply can't. We have the top options ready and waiting, but first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts and prices for every product we talk about. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 in Pastel Blue. Let's start our list in the cute, compact, and incredibly popular domain with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. With its automatic exposure and flash control, this camera ensures your photos come out bright and balanced, not washed out by the flash, which is a common struggle with simpler instant cameras. Many models at this friendly price point lack such reliable automation, but this one stands out for its sheer ease of use. Its compact and cute design, where you simply twist the lens to turn it on, makes photography effortless and fun. The built-in selfie mirror and close-up mode with parallax correction mean you're perfectly framed for those personal shots, a feature often missing in basic models. It prints those classic credit card-sized 2x3-inch Instax mini photos in about 5 seconds, with the image fully developing in around 90 seconds. It runs on 2 included AA batteries, so you're always ready to go. While the film is sold separately, the Mini 12 delivers a level of fuss-free, dependable performance that outshines many competitors. It's the perfect starter camera that gets the essentials brilliantly right, offering the best possible fun-to-price ratio without straining your budget. Thumbs up. Number 4. Polaroid Now plus 3rd generation. Stepping up in both format and features, we have the Polaroid Now Plus. This camera sets a new standard for creative control in the instant world. It shoots the iconic full-size Polaroid I-type and 600 film, giving you that larger, classic square format aesthetic with all its beautifully imperfect charm. But where it truly stands out is with its Bluetooth connectivity to the Polaroid app. This opens up a world of manual mode, aperture priority, remote control, and photo filter features that simply couldn't fit into the camera body itself. It's like having a professional photography studio in your pocket, something almost no other instant camera at this price offers. It has an upgraded 2-lens autofocus system for sharper shots and a built-in tripod mount for stable creativity. Unlike cameras that guzzle disposable batteries, this model has a USB-C rechargeable battery that lasts for over 15 film packs, letting you ditch the waste and stay in the moment. The Polaroid Now Plus doesn't just take a picture, it gives you the tools to make it a piece of art. It's a premium, future-friendly experience for the modern creator, worth every dime. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. Now, this is where things get brilliantly hybrid. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo masterfully bridges the gap between digital flexibility and analog charm. Think of it as the best of both worlds. You can capture a moment with its digital sensor, preview it on the screen, and then decide if and when to print it on Instax Mini Film. This selective printing feature is a game-changer, ensuring you never waste a precious piece of film on a blink or a blur. Its creative engine is incredibly powerful, offering 10 lens effects combined with 10 film simulation effects, giving you 100 unique ways to express your shot. You can save your images to a micro SD card or transfer them via Bluetooth to your smartphone using the free app, which also allows for remote. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Wide 400 Bundle. If your biggest complaint about instant photos is that they're just too small, then this is your solution. Coming in at number 2 is the Fujifilm Instax Wide 400, and we're looking at a fantastic bundle that includes the camera, film, a case, and an album. This camera uses the largest format Instax film, with a big, beautiful image size of 2.4 by 3.9 inches, perfect for group shots, landscapes, or just making a bigger statement. It features a retractable 95mm lens with automatic exposure and a programmed shutter, making group photos a breeze. The bundle is a huge part of the value here. You get a custom case for protection, a close-up number 1, Leica Sofort, 2 hybrid instant camera. At the pinnacle of instant camera design, we find the Leica Sofort 2. This is where modern design, digital integration, and Leica's legendary optics converge to create a truly exceptional hybrid experience. The Sofa 2 boasts a clean, minimalist, and incredibly functional design that just feels premium in your hands. Like the Mini Evo, it's a hybrid, allowing you to capture images digitally, preview them on its LCD screen, and then choose your favorites to print on special Instax mini film. Its seamless integration with the Leica Photos app via Bluetooth lets you transfer photos to your phone or even use your smartphone to remotely control the camera.